A salt mine was discovered here in the 12th century. Much later in the early 20th century, René Macquarie acquired the Roumanie mining concession and purchased a small piece of land where he set up the mine. Macquarie went into business with Émile Viadet, and in 1912 they opened a mine from which salt was extracted while they looked for potash, which they found potash at the end of the year. This was the third mineral potash deposit to be discovered worldwide, after those in Germany and France. The discovery revolutionized the economic and social structure of Súria. The salt mine was 60 meters deep and had a circular mouth with a diameter of 3.5 meters. A 30-meter horizontal gallery was opened at the bottom of the shaft. In 1914, the shaft was flooded, after which it was sealed up and abandoned. Also in 1914, the Belgian company of Solvay began to carry out soundings at the site and acquired the mining concessions from Macquarie and Viadet. In 1918, Solvay began to build the company's own mining facilities and opened the number 1 shaft. In 1920, the Minas de Potasa de Súria, or Súria Potash Mines Company, was established. The original headframe over the salt mine was converted into housing, which was used until the 1950s when it was demolished. In 2012, to mark the centenary of the discovery of the potash deposit, the remains of Macquarie and Viadet's mining facilities were restored. This interpretation center pays tribute to all those who worked in the mines and helped to make Súria what it is, a hospitable, friendly, freedom-loving town. Welcome to Súria.